Guys, I am giving away 3 Visa gift cards for $200, $100, and $50. To find out how you can win, watch the video until the very end. What is up, my beautiful YouTube family? Welcome to the Hack Buster channel, guys. This is the show where we find random life hacks from the internet and we see how realistic and reliable they are. Today we're gonna do part 3 of the Coca-Cola life hack. So let's get started. I never knew mixing Coca-Cola and the orange soda makes electricity. Well, time to become the Electro Man. No, I don't feel anything. I don't feel like there's any electricity in my body at all. So I was looking in the supermarkets and I could not find the actual juice they were using, Mirinda. In America, we don't have those. So I bought Fanta, which is actually a competitive company. They both have the same ingredients and pretty much exact same taste as well. So they both should do the same results. So just as the video shows, I have some copper bar right here and some zinc metal right here. You can obtain the zinc metal by taking apart a battery, and I have obtained this copper from this scrubbing thing right here. If you want to see how I obtained both of these metals and how I turned this into this, let me know in the comment below. I will have that in a separate video. Alright, so time to get to work. So I don't have the exact clock thing that they used, but instead I'm using this small light right here. This should consume a lot less energy comparing to the clock, so this should work better. Alright, so after long preparation, the setup is finally complete. The longest time it took was to actually obtain those two metals. Removing the battery and turning this into that bar, that took almost an hour and a half. So 5-minute craft, yeah, that's a busted part right there because you cannot do this whole setup in only 5 minutes. Alright guys, moment of the truth. First soda is in, second soda about to go in. Let me know in the comments below if you think the light is going to turn on or not. Is this going to produce electricity? I doubt it. I'm going to say no, but I don't know the answer, so let's try it out. Alright, I don't see anything at all. I'm going to turn the lights off. Maybe there is slight amount of electricity. Let's see. Alright guys, so as you can see, all the lights are off and no light turned on at all. So after all this work, spending about 2 hours to obtain these metals and setting up this whole electric setup, there is no electricity. This is disappointingly funny. So I'm gonna say this hack is busted. Is the next one gonna be realistic? Let's see our next genius hack. Wow, how awesome does that look? I'm probably going to have 10 of this made as nightlight because it looked like that glow in the soda bottle was actually producing a lot of light. But I'm going to guarantee this one is not going to work at all as well. Let me know if you think this one is going to work at all. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe you're right. Let's find out. So the detergent is also another product that I couldn't find in America. I went to multiple stores, but I could not find Mr. Proper. As you can see, I found this one right here, which has the same logo, the same old guy, but this one is called Mr. Clean. But both of them should work exactly the same way. So let's find out. Alright, so both of the liquids are here in this bottle right now. Let's give it a good old shake and see if we can produce some light. Shake it all, shake it all. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright, I've probably shaken it too much. The bottle is really hard. I really hope this doesn't explode. Before it does anything crazy, let me turn the lights off and see if this one produced any light at all. No, you guys can't see me again. There's no light coming from this. I'm actually moving the bottle right in front of the camera. Sad to say, as you can see the result already, this one is busted as well. So after making the last video, I thought maybe 5-minute craft is not so bad. A lot of the hacks are realistic, but we're back to having busted life hacks again. Thank you so much for giving your valuable time to watch my videos, guys. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the Hack Buster family. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for revisiting my channels and showing the love and support. I love talking to you guys, so please talk to me in the comments below. It's an open chat, so you can definitely give any suggestions of what you want to see next, or how is my background, or what I can do to improve, anything at all. I consider you guys my family, so please talk to me. Okay, so now that you've watched the whole video, as I trust you did, to enter for a chance to win those 3 Visa gift cards, first of all, you have to like this video, subscribe and press the bell notification. Also, you're going to have to share this video in your Facebook and Instagram. Definitely don't forget to tag me. Here's my Facebook and here's my Instagram. Do not forget to like the Facebook and follow on the Instagram. To decide who will win which amount is completely up to you guys. For example, the person that is most active and share the video the most often has a higher chance of winning a higher amount. Also, be creative, guys. Take a picture of yourself or record a small video talking about this channel. That will also increase your chance of winning and winning a higher amount. This contest will end when this channel reaches 1,000 subscribers. So, best of luck, guys. If you like this video, make sure to click the thumbs up, definitely subscribe and press the bell notification so you know exactly when I post a video, and definitely, most importantly, share it with your friends and family so they know which life hack is real and which one, like today's, is busted. To watch part 1 of the Coke life hacks, click right here. To watch part 2, click right here. And definitely, most importantly, click on my face right here to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace.